middle connect piece, and we've already connected our adapter with our ball and spring inside. I'm gonna hand this to Chris to help me put in. So I have my 19 again to put in. And we're gonna thread this. So this is threaded into the machine. And Chris is holding on the other end to connect the middle connect piece at the same time. It is not necessary, but it's helpful. Actually, I can turn this. I'm going to turn it and make my life easier. So I can stand. So we're going to crank this down until it's hand tightened. We're not going to put extra force on it. We're just going to have it to a snug point, which will match all of the others. As we're getting close to the end of the thread, we go just a snug, and then we're going to stop there so we don't put too much pressure on the fittings themselves. And then, oh, let me stay on this still with my, as he tightens up the middle connect piece to match the others, I'm going to hold from the inside of the hopper so that we don't unthread the depositing sleeve we just put on. And now our hopper is ready to go back on the depositor.